Welcome to our guide on how to delete a second Instagram account in 2025. Whether you're taking a break or deciding to simplify your online presence, we've got you covered. Let's start by discussing why you might want to delete a second account. Common reasons include reclaiming your privacy, reducing clutter, or simply wanting to focus on one profile. First, you need to log into your second Instagram account. Open the app and enter your account credentials. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner. From there, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Help section, then select Delete your account. It's important to read the instructions carefully. Before you proceed, consider backing up your data. You can save your photos and videos by downloading them directly from Instagram. It's crucial to know the difference between disabling and permanently deleting your account. Disabling means you can come back anytime, while deletion is permanent. When you're ready, follow the prompts to confirm deletion. Ensure you're absolutely sure, as this step is irreversible. After you delete your account, you'll receive a confirmation message. Remember, your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be permanently removed. To recap, logging in, navigating to settings, confirming deletion, and understanding the implications are essential steps in this process. Thank you for watching.